once you're there, create your own account, and then what you're going to do is we need to create a new campaign. So I'll click on this arrow here, and then I'll click create campaign. Okay, so let's create our campaign. I'm going to do abbreviation, and then I'll just say Instagram. So okay, create campaign. That was available, and it's all done. So now we need to change some settings. Make sure you do that. This is very important. So click edit campaign settings, and it takes you here, and then turn off notifications. You don't need that. And then click on permissions, and make sure that you uncheck all of these. This is very, very important. And then what we need is we need to create a web form. So what I'm going to do is I'll go to forms and click create form. And in order for us to get a form, we need a thank you page URL as well. So I'll show you where to get that. Let me go back to my ClickFunnels here and save this and exit out of this and click on thank you page, and then copy this URL right here. This is what we need. This is your thank you page URL where the subscribers will be redirected to get your download. So copy that, go back to your get response, and then here is what you need to do. Click on plain. Don't worry about any of this. Just click on plain HTML editor, and let's choose our campaign right here. Go ahead and find your campaign. I found mine, and then click on add to cycle on day. So this is what's going to add them to your autoresponder sequence, and I'll show you how to set it up later. For now, all you need to do is just check that and make sure it says day 0. So that's it. This you don't need to worry about that, and scroll down, and then it's asking you to, if you want your custom thank you page URL set up. So yes, we do need that. So check that, and then paste your thank you page URL right here. So next, what we need to do is we need to click on name right here, because we are collecting their name and email. So just make sure that you check that. And again, make sure that this is checked. To add them to your autoresponder, make sure that custom thank you page is checked and the name is checked right here. So it looks good. And that's it. Now we can copy this code. So click copy code, and we can go back to ClickFunnels, click on opt-in, and we can add that code in. So our opt-in code would work perfectly. So click edit page. Okay, we're back here, and click on email. Actually, let me choose HTML form. So then choose on integrate existing form and choose your code, paste your code, great, and then click on parse and save web form, and then don't forget to do this as well. So for name, choose name, and for email, choose email. Okay, it's been saved. Let me see. Now I want to make sure that it doesn't say my well, actually I changed it. Before it said my awesome page. How I changed that was go to meta tag social settings, meta tag social settings, and I entered it here. Beginner's guide on how. Before I said my awesome landing page, but I put that in there. You can add your description there, and what I'll do is I'll just save this, maybe save this and copy this description here, copy, and I'll go back there again and paste it there. So I'll just leave that, and I'll just say here I'll just put again, beginner's guide on how to make money online. Um, okay. And here I'll just say my name. And here you can add a social image. Here is if someone shares it on Facebook or Twitter, this is the image that's going to show up. So I do want to add my image there. Okay. And I added my image there and click save. And our landing page is ready. Congratulations. So let's exit. And now we have to set up our thank you page. And this is very simple. All you do is you just click thank you and go to your thank you page and to edit it. So here's our thank you page, and we just need to edit this here. Actually, I edited it already. I changed it to great. It worked. And maybe I'll put and then what I'll do next, I also changed this. I left it like that, and yeah, so great. And let's add our ebook image. All you have to do is hover over this and click on this plus sign. What we need here is a single image, so I'll just click on that, and then I'll click add to page. There we go, and let me add my ebook here. So click on that and go to image URL here, and let's find our image again. Here it is. Click on that and add image. Okay, looks good. Okay, you can make it smaller if you want, but I'll leave it like that. I think I'll change this text again. I'll just say click on the image to start your download, and maybe I'll change that text. Maybe I'll change the margin a little bit. No. I like the font. I changed it to Oswald. Okay. And I think I'll change this font again. Let me do. I think I'll do Oswald again. Just bear with me while I find it. Here it is, Oswald. Okay. Okay, maybe change some padding on the top. Okay, it looks great. So in order for them to download the ebook, you have to host it online somewhere. So how you host it online is I'm just going to use Google Drive to host it online. So let's go to drive.google.com. If you don't have a Gmail account, I highly recommend you to create a Gmail account so that you can use Google Drive. So what I'll do here is, as you can see, I already hosted it here, but I'll show you step by step how to do it. So what you'll need to do here is just click on new and then click on file upload. So I'll find my ebook here. Here it is. So I'll just click on it, double click on it. So it's uploading right now. So once it's uploaded, just right click on it and you click on, actually let me click on this. You click on share. What we need is we need a shareable link. So just click on, let me do it again, get shareable link, which actually I did it already. So you get shareable link. Let's copy that. So let's go back to our ClickFunnels And I want to make sure that when people click on this, it goes to my ebook, the download of the ebook. So what I'm going to do is I'll click on it in the setting, and the settings will open up, and where it says link URL, just paste, let me delete that, paste that link URL in there. Okay, great. And next, don't worry about this. This is not going to show up on your live website. This is just for you to know. So great. Also with this button, what I'm going to do is I'll do the same thing. So click on that and URL action here. So I'll delete this number sign and I'll just paste my shareable link right here. Okay, looks great. Then just make sure that you save it. Actually, did I save this one here? I may not have saved this one here. Okay, it's in there. Let me just do it again. I'll copy and paste it in there and save it. Okay, it's in there. Great. Okay, now let's preview. Looks great. I think, did I forget to change my meta tags here? Let me close that out. I think I may need to do that right now. Go to settings and meta tags, and oh no, actually it's in there. It's beginner's guide on how to make money online. Okay, and here I put get your download. Okay, here don't need anything, and here I put my name and image. Actually, I did it, but I'll show you how I did it. Here's my image. You add image. Don't really need keywords. You click save, and then you click preview. There you go. It's working good. See, beginner's guide. Okay, and then what we do is we click on the image. Awesome. So my book opens up. As you can see, it's working great. Look at that. Okay, and if you also click on the button, it should open up your ebook as well. Actually, let's see. Click on this one here. It should open up the ebook as well. Great, it does it. Beautiful. Okay, now let's close out of here. Now I want to make sure that people can open it if they don't have a Gmail account. So I'll log out of my Gmail account. Actually, here, let me go over what I did here. I got you clicked on get shareable link. Actually, I think you click on share. Actually, you want to get shareable link. It already has one. Well, I'll do this again. Let me remove this. Click on new file upload. Here it is. It's going to upload. You right click on that. You want to get a shareable link. Let's see if I remember. Is it here? Yes, here it is. And this is where you copy the link. And we went back to ClickFunnels and we pasted it where it says link URL. We click on this image here. And this was the thank you page, URL action. Let me just go back here and remove this because I don't need it, because I have this one here. And now let's make sure that if people don't have a Gmail account, that the ebook will open. So let me sign out of here. Okay, I signed out. Let's go back to ClickFunnels and save this. Click on preview. Okay. Okay. Click on here. Let's see if it's going to work for people who don't have Gmail accounts. So click here to download now. Okay, as you can see, it still shows up for people who don't have Gmail accounts, and it's going to work perfectly. Awesome. So it looks like our thank you page is ready as well. And let me also click on here to see if this one works. Okay, great. Here's the PDF download. Awesome. And let me get out of here. And yeah, looks like our thank you page is ready. So yeah, save it and exit exit the page. And congratulations, your custom funnel is ready. This, if you see this, this takes a while. There it is. And we'll see you on the next video.